as we expand our world so that we may enter yours. Sent through the power of light, we rode atop of dragons, learning from them so that we may become that dragon. Come to slay the beast, come to rust the machine, come to bust your fucking bubble. And as the ancients reawaken, we are the messengers, warriors of the light. We must unite and oppose the strength that would see our flight. Fear is their weapon, and power and might. Strike this from your heart, strength will follow. As we expand our world, as we expand our world, as we expand our world, as we expand our world.